3 months ago, Josh had no idea that AI would change his life forever, but not the way he hoped. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot the AI money hacks that crash and burn before they drain your time and your wallet. -0, Meet Josh, 2026 is reluctant AI hustler. Josh is 26, lives in Nashville, Tennessee, ex-barista, like most of us. He saw those viral videos, AI made me $5,000 in a week, no experience. So in January, Josh made a New Year's bet. Set aside $600. His whole tax refund and one goal, double his money using nothing but AI tools. First up, AI trading bot. YouTube recommended Quantum Trade Pro. Top comment, made $400 my first week. Josh signed up, plugged in $200, hooked it to his Robinhood and let the bot run the trades. He also tried Jasper AI for copywriting side gigs on Upwork and Fiverr. Even dabbled in reselling AI generated art with Midjourney V7. It was an all-in experiment, 3 tools, 3 very different promises, $200 each. But what happened next changed everything. -200, the first big bet and the data nobody talks about the first week. Quantum Trade Pro made Josh $22. Not a fortune, but hey, positive. But then came the dump. AI bot predicted a bull run. Markets corrected. The bot doubled down. By week 3, $104. On Upwork, Josh sent 19 proposals using Jasper. Got 2 replies. One paid him $21 for a blog post. Spent $39 of his $200 on Jasper's Pro plan. Net lost $18 in the first month. Meanwhile, the hype about AI art was peaking. Josh uploaded his Midjourney images to Redbubble. 0 sales. By the end of month 1, his $600 was down to $389. Not great, but he learned something no influencer mentioned. Every AI money hack seemed easier on paper until real cash was at stake. -300, where the dream starts cracking. Josh doubled down on Quantum Trade Pro because the Discord community claimed the algorithm just needs a month to learn. He added another $50. Week 5, the bot missed every major market move. Josh pulled out with $82 left. Total loss on trading $168. Real money, no buffer. With Jasper, he tried AI written resume. Sold one for $29, but got a PayPal refund claim. AI plagiarism. Jasper's content detector didn't flag it, but the clients did. Full refund. Another blow. By March, Josh was questioning everything. Was it all just hype? Did the pros actually make money, or were they selling the tool? -400, when hands-free money broke down midway through March. Friend DM Josh. Try AI Brain Trust. New, fully automated, claims 97% win rate. Josh paid $49 for access. The onboarding process looked pro. Slick dashboards, verified testimony. First day, it triggered 4 trades, all lost. The port said volatility glitch. Week later, the platform locked him out. Turns out it was flagged as a gray zone on Trustpilot and 3 other review sites. Total spent $49 gone, 0 chance of refund. Josh's $600 challenge was now at $295 and dropping. The emotional stake. This was all his free cash for months. If he lost it, he was back to square one with more questions than answers. But the real surprise is coming. -600, the surprising truth. And the one tool that worked out of frustration, Josh did what he should have done first. Pulled rank comparison data. He found an AI forum tracking real user results from dozens of tools, actual screenshots, not testimonial. Turns out 76% of users in 2026 were either break-even or net negative with AI money hack. The only users consistently up were those combining AI with deep human expertise. Think prompt engineering, niche SEO, or fine-tuned trading strategy. Josh tried one last pivot. Took what he'd learned, specialized his Jasper gigs into * LinkedIn profile rights for tech grads *, offering a human edit pass. 3 clients 1 week, $180 total. Suddenly, he was up $41 net after cost. No get rich quick, no autopilot gains. Real repeatable income. As he stopped chasing magic bots and started using AI as a tool, not a crutch. -700, hard lessons plus how to pick winning tools. So what did Josh learn? Here's the brutal truth. 1. An AI tool claims easy, hands-free profit with no expertise. Run the other way in 2026. 2. Most failures were actually buyer confusion. AI is power. But it's not plug and play for money. 3. The winners combined AI with * niche skills or knowledge *, not just pressing generate. If you're thinking of trying an AI side hustle, use * real * user forums, test with small amounts, and lean on your strengths. And remember, this is not financial advice. If you're enjoying this story, hit subscribe. We post honest breakdowns like this every DIY and you don't want to miss the next one. -800, what's next? And how to stay ahead. Josh didn't get rich, but he didn't lose everything, and now he knows how to dodge the hype traps that take out most beginners. Subscribe and hit the bell. New AI money reviews daily. The next story, why the AI copywriting revolution crashed in April and what replaced it. If you like this, watch our deep dive on Best ETF for Beginners 2026. Keep it simple and keep it real, not financial advice. Stay smart, stay skeptical. See you tomorrow.